Birthday list has CAYSON Buckle, born wild. Yes, he was. When you're gonna rock shades like that and you're celebrating your first birthday, yes, you are, my man. A happy birthday to CAYSON in Girard.
Oh, I cannot believe this little guy's already a year old.
I know. It's crazy. Aww. It's crazy. Takes after his dad, doesn't he?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Looks a little ornery.
Right. Just like Dad.
I think so.
No offense, Trace. You know we love you.
Be proud, Trace. Be proud. All right. Josiah Allen Hallam is turning 1 year old as well.
Kid's got a smile on him.
What a great smile. Captured
My
a moment there.
goodness.
All right, Josiah is in Fort Scott.
I tell you what, man. If I walked around looking that happy every Josiah, you put a smile on my face, kid. That's tremendous. Luke Bell, he's celebrating his 6th birthday. Luke, a very happy birthday to you. Little fair action right there. County fairs going. Cherokee County Fair. Wrapping up. They did a great job down there at Cherokee County Fair. Luke, I hope you had a heck of a time down there. He's in Columbus.
All right. Dakota Ross turning sweet 16 this year. Dakota is in Chanute with birthday wishes coming to you from Grandma and Grandpa.
Can we pause, please? Can we pause?
He's in a toilet.
What in the world is he sitting in? Because you know,
reaction's like, uh-oh.
You know Mom or Dad sent it in. And poor Dakota, he's like 16, give me my driver's license, I'm ready to rock and roll. And Mom had that photo sitting around. She's like, guess what I'm gonna do, kid?
Remember that time you got stuck in the toilet, son?
That's great.
Oh, man.
And Mama Ross and Papa Ross, well played by you. That's great. Andrea Paulie, she is celebrating her 30th birthday. Great family photo right there. A happy 30th to Andrea and St. Paul.
All right.
What?
This
can't
be. This can't be.
Yeah.
Miss Courtney. Courtney Emhoff turning 46 years old. Nah, she ain't 46.
I know.
That's gotta be a misprint. Gotta be.
You make the rest of us look terrible, Courtney. Because you are so awesome. Happy birthday, Miss Courtney. Patty Watson, she's celebrating her 62nd birthday. Patty, a happy birthday in Weir.
All right. Mike Marsh, celebrating birthday number 63 this year. Everyone wave at Mike as you
Hey, it's Dean's
drive by
birthday.
and see him today. Yeah. He's in Fulton.
Dean Jesse, look at this. He's 68. Happy birthday, Mr. Jesse. Been like one of those things, I see these pictures pop up in the pandemic. I just haven't seen anybody in forever. Happy birthday, Dean. He's in Columbus.
Right, Marcia Murray is celebrating another year. She is in Riverton. Happy birthday.
Kurt and Hannah ZAHM, a very happy anniversary to you as well. That's a marvelous family photo right there. The ZAHMs, they celebrate in Columbus.
All right, that is a great picture. And Mr. Steve Saporito.
It's like one thing that we asked Shelly to like keep our 4 walls standing. But, you know, then she's got to take care of birthdays. She's got grandkids. She's got people she's got to do birthday parties for. Steve, we absolutely love you, man. Steve's celebrating his 54th birthday, and yeah, part of our extended KOAM family right there. So, Steve, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday. As the Saporito family is extending from Weir to Columbus, and absolutely love them. So have a great one, Steve. And who this is? Look who decided to come back. It's funny. It's like we leave this station and then we find our way back. I don't know who else would do that. Trey Dawson did that. Trey's our production.
We're so happy.
Trey's our production man. I'll tell you what, I've had the opportunity to spend some time with this dude right here. And he's not only a wonderful young man who has a great family, but also too, folks, what you don't realize is some people you can put a camera in their hands and it just comes natural to them. And all you do is you hand that dude a camera and it's going to look like $1 million by the time it's said and done. Now, granted, he's on the administrative side now, right? He's pushing papers. He's a paper pusher now. But if I ever need anything, you know, I'd ask that dude. I'd ask that dude to grab a camera because he is certainly that talented. Yep. Mary Lynn Cup, a happy 66th in Crestline. Joanne Wood celebrating her 79th in the Berg. And I tell you what, Pittsburgh is the place to be because that's exactly where Doug Eller is as well. Happy birthday to Doug.
And let's see, we've got Dr. Paul Niche celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Happy
What up,
birthday,
Doc?
And Craig and Amanda Oni are celebrating their anniversary today.
So a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.